Welcome to another Care & Co tutorial. In this video, we're showing you how to make a super simple beaded keychain using acrylic beads. All the supplies you need to make your own can be found on our website, and make sure you hit that subscribe button to be the first to see more tutorials and crafting inspiration from Care & Co. Let's dig in. To make a beaded keychain, you will need one lanyard clip, elastic cording, acrylic beads of your choice, a mini tassel, super glue, and scissors. And we're ready to make your beaded keychain. Start with cutting a 12-inch length of elastic cord. Tie it to your lanyard clip, securing it with a tight double knot. Further secure your knot with a dab of super glue. Elastic cord has a tendency to slip out of knot, so the glue will help keep it in place. Trim the short length of your cord. Thread your beads onto your elastic cord. Be sure that the hole of your first bead is large enough to fit the elastic cord knot. Add your mini tassel to your cord. Feed your cord back up into the last bead and tie a knot between the last two beads. Secure your knot with a dab of super glue. Trim your cord to the knot. Beaded keychains are just a great way to use those extra beads you have hanging around. Make sure you check out more videos and tutorials on our YouTube channel. And like I said earlier, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Happy crafting!